Hi guys, welcome to Homestead Kitchen Living. Do you ever wonder how they make the red Twizzlers? Well, I was experimenting in my kitchen this week and I have a recipe that kind of duplicates the red Twizzlers. They're a little stretchy, but I kind of like the idea. I've actually kind of named this my Gummy Bear Red Twizzlers. So, you want to know how to make these Twizzlers? Follow me along in this video. My God, what did you eat? Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Just remember, when the going gets tough, the tough find something to eat. The best way to do that is to cook it yourself. Homestead Kitchen Living, making cooking fun again. Please remember to like, subscribe, share it with a friend. Thanks again for watching.